Dear friends, esteemed guests, and fellow dreamers, today I stand before you with a message of resilience, determination, and unwavering faith in oneself. The title of my talk, Keep Going Even When No One Believes in You, encapsulates the essence of perseverance in the face of doubt and adversity. Throughout our lives, we encounter moments when the support we hope for may not materialize. Friends, family, even strangers may doubt our abilities, question our decisions, and challenge our dreams. In those moments, it's easy to feel disheartened, to question our own worth and potential. But let me tell you something. The absence of belief from others should never dictate the course of our journey. Our work, our potential, and our ability to achieve greatness and contingent upon the validation of others. There is life in us, waiting to defy the expectations of those who doubt us. When faced with skepticism, it's crucial to remember that belief in oneself is the most powerful force of all. It's the driving force that propels us forward with what ahead seems uncertain. It's the inner voice that whispers, "You can do this," even when others say otherwise. Think of all the great visionaries and innovators and trailblazers throughout history. How many of them been told they couldn't accomplish their dreams? How many faced ridicule, rejection, and doubt on their journey to success? And yet, the preserve, they kept going, fueled by their own unwavering belief in themselves and their vision for the future. So my friends, I urge you to embrace the disbelief of others as a challenge. A challenge to prove them wrong, not for their sake, but for your own. Let their doubts serve a catalyst for their determination, a reminder of the strength that lies within you. Remember, the road to success is really a straight path. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected obstacles. But each step you take, with each step back you overcome, you reaffirm your commitment to yourself and your dreams. Never underestimate the power of self-belief. Keep going even when no one believes in you. Because the only validation you truly need comes from within. Believe in yourself, trust in your abilities, and let nothing stand in the way of your dreams. Once again, my name is Johanna P. Young from Bisagwan, and thank you.